Quality control. Quality control is a process that is used to ensure a certain level of quality in a product or service. It might include whatever actions a business deems necessary to provide for the control and verification of certain characteristics of a product or service. Most often, it involves thoroughly examining and testing the quality of products or the results of services. The basic goal of this process is to ensure that the products or service that are provided meet specific requirements and characteristics, such as being dependable, satisfactory, safe, and physically sound. Basic examples of quality control. The first one is manufacturers of food products often have employees who test the finished products for taste and other qualities. The second example is clothing manufacturers. Clothing manufacturers have workers inspect garments to ensure that they are properly seen. The third is service oriented companies often have representatives who observe the services being performed or who do follow up checks to ensure that everything was done properly. When does quality control occur? When raw materials are received prior to entering production, whilst products are going through the production process, when products are finished, inspection or testing takes place before products are dispatched to customers. Evaluating people applicable with service oriented companies. 7 basic tools of quality control. The first one is check sheet. Check sheet is a form used to collect data in real time at the location where the data are generated. The data it captures can be quantitative or qualitative. When the information is quantitative, the check sheet is sometimes called a tally sheet. The second is control chart. Control charts are also known as shoe hard charts or process behavior charts. In statistical process control are tools used to determine if a manufacturing or business process is in a state of statistical control. The third is histogram. Histogram is a graphical representation showing a visual impression of the distribution of data. Fourth is Ishikawa diagram. Ishikawa diagram. Common uses of the Ishikawa diagrams are product design and quality defect prevention. To identify potential factors causing an overall effect, each cause or reason for imperfection is a source of variation. Causes are usually grouped into major categories to identify these sources of variation. Fifth is Pareto chart. Pareto chart is a type of chart that contains both bars and a line graph, where individual values are represented in descending order by bars and the cumulative total is represented by the line. Sixth is a scatter diagram. Scatter diagram is a type of mathematical diagram using Cartesian coordinates to display values for two variables for a set of data. Last is flowchart. Flowchart is a type of diagram that represents an algorithm process showing the steps as boxes of various kinds and their order by connecting them with arrows. Some problem concerning quality control. The first problem is the inspection process does not add any value. If there were any guarantees that no defective output would be produced, then there would be no need for any inspection process in the first place. The second problem is inspection is costly. In terms of both tangible and non-tangible cost, for example, material, labor, time, employee morale, customer goodwill, lost sales. Third is it is sometimes done too late in the production process. This often results in defective or non-acceptable goods actually being received by the customer. Another problem is it is usually done by the wrong people. Example, by a separate quality control inspection team rather than by the workers themselves. Inspection is often not compatible with more modern production techniques. Example, just-in-time manufacturing, which do not allow time for much, if any, inspection. The last is there is often disagreement as to what constitutes a quality product. For example, to meet quotes, inspector may approve goods that do not meet 100% conformance, giving the message to workers that it does not matter if their work is a bit sloppy. Or one quality control inspector may follow different procedure from another or use different measurements. Difference between quality control and quality insurance. So, the two are similar, but there are some basic differences. Quality control is concerned with examining the product or service, the end result, and the quality insurance is concerned with examining the process that leads to the end result. A company would use quality insurance to ensure that a product is manufactured in the right way, thereby reducing or eliminating potential problems with the quality of the final product.